we are going to be reviewing Mr. Sam's tire and wheel cleaner. Now you're supposed to just spray this stuff on, agitate it with a brush, and rinse it off with a jet. And I'm going to do just that. Now here is the thing. I've already used it on the front wheel, so I know exactly how it's going to do. And the front wheels are usually the toughest ones because that's where the brake dust congregate and everything else. So I did exactly like the instructions said, not even really using a high powered jet. So that's the disclaimer. I just used typical water hose jet, not a power, which I was going to do, not a power washer. But let's get to reviewing. Now it says in the instructions, you got to shake well before using, which I kind of forgot to do. You got to clean one tire at a time, spray on tire, agitate using a medium bristle tire brush, rinse with a heavy jet water. Then it goes on to say how to do it when using cleaning other things like the fender well, and all of that stuff. But we're just going to use it for the wheels today and see how it do. And right now we're going to try it out on the back. Now I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Let's try to do it at this angle. Well, I can't show you that angle because you'll see the front. This wheel is very dusty. It's been in the rain. It's been in the ice. I really hope this camera is picking up how dirty this wheel is. Because I think that's going to tell you a lot right there. All right, why am I breathing hard? So what we're going to do is exactly what it says. Shaking it up. We're going to spray it on. Get it on there. Get it on there. Get it on now. Mr. Sam, if you see this, I know you probably already saying he already doing it wrong. Well, ain't everybody gonna do it right every time, and they still gonna say if your stuff is junk or if it's good. Everybody's not gonna do it exactly like it says. And that's probably too much. Cause I'm talking at the same time. Now, time for the wire brush. This looks medium to me. It's wore out too. So let's get this in here agitated. This agitate, Mr. Sam? Let me know in the comments if I'm agitating. Cause you gotta agitate. He said agitate. Oh shit, I'm beating up the wheel. Let's agitate. Come on, get in there. Get in there, mother. We agitating that mother. We gonna agitate today. We gonna find out the truth. People be trying to sell you some mess, you know. Had time to be crap. We're gonna see today. We're gonna see today, Mr. Sam. Mr. Sam I am. Let's see. Now I think that's some agitating. When y'all say I done agitated, we agitating. I'm agitating so much I'm gonna mess up a wheel. L in that. Oh, let's get the tire in. Then spray it on the top, but we'll put some on there. For good measure. Agitate. Agitate. Alright, I'm so agitated. I'm out of breath. Alright, now that we done agitated that, can't leave it on long, so let's get to spraying. This is what I'm using. It's not high power. It must be some aliens. Let's wait till these aliens, for the military get the aliens, and then we'll start this back. Well, I can't stop because I didn't agitate. We gotta keep going. Military getting the aliens and all. Alright, so here's the jet spray we got it on. Oh, wind blowing. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. He's spraying it. These wheels was dusty, super dusty. So we're gonna let you know, Mr. Sam, keep spraying. We got the dog barking there, we got the helicopters, we got everything, but I can't start this review over because that wouldn't be fair to Mr. Sam. We gotta do it with bad sound and everything. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my God, oh my God. Mr. Sam, I am. Hush your mouth. Mr. Sam, I am. Hush. Hold on a minute, let me get this dog shut up. Back to your regularly scheduled program. Mr. Sam, you done did the fool. You done did the fool. The only place there's a little dust is where I forgot to put some. And then I just wiped that off. Mr. Sam, y'all look at that wheel. Y'all saw that wheel before. Look at that damn wheel. That wheel has never looked that good. Now I can show you what the front looked like. I told you I already knew. Look at that. Mr. Sam. Mr. Sam, that wheel ain't never been that damn clean. I don't know what you putting in this, but if it's that good on this wheel, yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you, because I don't care about none of this. I'm gonna tell you the truth. That wheel is clean. That wheel is clean. Now, I did it before I washed the car. I don't even know why I did it before I washed the car, but I just wanted to test it out. And that wheel is clean. Clean, clean, clean. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mr. Sam, you got a pretty good product on you. I ain't gonna even lie. That is a pretty good product. And this wheel is dry, so you can kind of see what it looks like dry after I've done it. So you can see it both ways, dry, still wet. Ooh wee. All right, Mr. Sam, so that's the quick review of Mr. Sam's tire cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a thumbs up, because I don't think that wheel ever been that clean, even with me using soap and hand cleaning it. I'm impressed. And I've used a lot of stuff. I won't name no names, ain't gonna throw them under the bus, but it's all pretty much been garbage. Shout out to Mr. Sam. Mr. Sam went live. He thought he put all the time in there. This your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.